In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add website in Google Analytics. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics. Once you are signed in, you should land on the Analytics homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your data. But for adding a website, you will be working in the Settings area. Next, look to the left-hand side navigation and click on Admin. Admin is where you manage accounts, properties, and data collection. If you have access to more than one account or property, take a moment to confirm you are working in the correct one, because the changes you make here apply to whatever property is currently selected. Inside Admin, click on the highlighted option that takes you to the area for managing your property settings and data streams. Data streams are important because they are what connect your website or app to Google Analytics, so Analytics can start receiving data. Now, find and click Add Stream. When you add a stream, you are telling Google Analytics what type of source you want to track. For a typical website setup, you will be creating a web stream. After you click Add Stream, choose the highlighted option for the website stream type. At this point, a confirmation may appear. Click Yes to continue. This is simply confirming that you want to proceed with adding a new stream to this property. Next, you will see a field where you can enter your website information. Click into the highlighted text box and type in the required details, such as your site address, exactly as it should be tracked. Be careful to enter the correct version of your domain because small differences can affect reporting. For example, the presence or absence of www and the correct protocol, like HTTPS, should match your real site configuration. After you type in the website information, click the next highlighted area to continue. Then click the next highlighted button or option to finalize the setup. Once this is completed, your new website stream will be added, and Google Analytics will be ready to begin collecting data for that website. And that is all there is to it.